All right, today I'm going to show you how to replace the cartridge head on a Harry's razor. If you don't know, Harry's razor is one of the popular razors out there as a alternative to Gillette razors. It's a fairly good razor, sharp blades, very consistent, very similar to a Gillette razor. So after you've been shaving, after several shaves, the blades become dull and you'll want to replace the head that is on the razor, the cartridge head. So you want to take it off. In order to do that, this has to come off right here. Now, it is a little bit different from a Gillette razor. As far as Gillette razor, you just press a button. But for this, you actually have to take your fingers right here at the bottom, at the base. Do you see how it separates at the bottom and right here? What you're going to do is you're going to take your hands at the bottom of the base right here, it's right here, and you're going to pull it up or push it up, whichever way. It has to go in that direction. All right, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to hold this part with my right hand and the bottom of the base right here with my left hand, and I'm going to pull it. And do you see how it pops off? I just pushed it like that, and it came off. All right. So once you've taken that off, you want to put a new one on. So you grab a new razor, cartridge head, you just take it like this, and then you just simply press it on and it snaps into place. All right, that's how you replace the cartridge on a Harry's razor. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.